channel if you're new, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content. So I'm back for doing more videos for you guys. I just need a long break from social media because due to my mental health, and I'm better, and I'm back to do some more posting. I know you guys are waiting for my vlogs, and I'm back for doing some more videos for you guys. So this is just an update video and what I got from Amazon. So the update video is that why I haven't been posting. It's that because I've been taking a break from social media because due to my mental health, and it's just that I need a good break from it. And it's not good for your mental health because I have like anxiety, and it's not good for my anxiety and stress. So that is a good thing. So I'm not gonna post like every day. I have like a schedule on my bio on my channel. If you look at my bio on my channel, it says what days when I post days. And if I miss a day because I'm busy with other stuff and that's okay. And then now for a haul video. And then I got me some stuff on Amazon for my markers for like my storage. It's like storage container for my markers so I can organize. And then this is for like scissors and stuff. This is what it looks like, and other stuff, like other random stuff. So this is what it looks like. And then this one's a big one. This one is heavy. I try not to do it because this stuff will come out. I don't know why there's dog hair on it, but I really care. So this is for your markers. And then I will do another video maybe tomorrow or this weekend. And I will do like a video like organizing my markers. And this one as well. And this one as well. Because I have like so many freaking markers, it's really freaking funny. I have like my pens, markers, and this one could be like for my journaling stuff. Like my journaling markers and scissors. I just need a marker storage container just to organize my markers because I haven't had it for a while. I've been looking them on Amazon and this is a really good idea. And I just need one. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna put it on my desk because I just had like no room. And then I just had no room. So this is what I got from Amazon. And another thing is that I need to catch up on my videos as well. I didn't post last month because I've been so busy. Because I was at my grandma's and stuff. And I need to catch up on my videos like, what's the other one I need to catch up? Like a room tour. What's the other one? Like how many coloring books I have, and a recent blog. All that stuff. I need to catch up on my content, and that's why I haven't been posting. So this is just an update video and what I got from Amazon, a haul video. And I'm just starting to get posting again because I've been taking a long break because due to my mental health. And I know you guys have been waiting for more posting. And don't worry, I'm not leaving. I just need to get my mental health back in better shape. And I might do a game streaming maybe later on tonight or tomorrow, depending if I'm not busy or tired. And we're in a severe thunderstorm watch right now, so I might do like another video of it later on. But I'm doing some like hours to be on YouTube, not much because I'm a mental health. So and I need to catch up some videos on my friends as well because I've been watching them because I've been taking a long break. So, and I might do that tonight or tomorrow because it's been so busy with family, doctors, and stuff. It's been like crazy because it's summertime and stuff. So yeah, but I'm glad that I'm back to be posting, and I'm just gonna ignore the haters and stuff. And I don't really care about subscribers right now. I'm just gonna focus on my channel and content and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give a thumbs up and subscribe and the notification bell. I'm gonna see you guys maybe tomorrow or this weekend, because I wanna organize my markers and stuff, and I'm gonna see you guys this weekend. Bye guys.